In the video related to the Dovecot email service, you may remember some discussion about the secure versions of the POP3 and IMAP4 protocols. If you have to configure Dovecot to handle either of these protocols, you'll need to set up appropriate secure certificates. The configuration for these certificates are available in the etc/pki/dovecot directory. Let's navigate to that directory. The configuration file, as shown here, is dovecot-openssl.cnf. Let's take a look at this file. This first stanza here is generally sufficient. 1024 bits provides strong encryption. You may want to set a specific country code, such as US for the United States of America, an appropriate state or province code, in this case North Carolina, as well as an appropriate locality, organization, organizational unit, common name, of course an appropriate email address, Once you finish the changes you want to make, save them. Then you can start the process of creating new Dovecot certificates. But before you do that, back up those that already exist. Certificates are created and stored in the dovecot.pem file in the directory shown here. Let me back up those certificates. Note how I move the current version of the dovecot.pem file to an appropriate descriptive location in my home directory. That way I can restore them easily as needed. Now that those certificates are backed up, I can navigate to the directory shown there. User, share, doc, Dovecot, examples. Now I can use the makecert.sh script. It's a straightforward script which you can review for yourself in any text editor. Now let's execute that script. Since I don't have the current directory in my path, I have to execute the script in that directory with a // Do you recognize the changes I had made to the dovecot-openssl.cnf file? Let's see if this worked. I now have a dovecot.pem file in the certs and private directory. Let's take a look at these keys. They're big keys, 1024 bits as described earlier. And with these keys now Available and properly located, Dovecot can now handle secure versions of the POP3 and IMAP 4 protocols. For more details on the configuration of Dovecot, see the related video on that topic.